Hi, welcome to Brunswick Forest, an active lifestyle community located just minutes from downtown Wilmington, North Carolina. Residents in this community enjoy many amenities such as pools, gyms, tennis, pickleball, pocket parks, and lakes. Brunswick Forest features an award-winning golf course, Cape Fear National, along with over 100 miles of walking and biking trails. One of our exclusive Logan Homes neighborhoods is Banyan Bay. In this gated enclave, you'll find homes with Floridian-style architecture and modern floor plans that emphasize resort-like outdoor living. Homes are lushly landscaped with tropical plants, and backyards can be personalized with luxurious in-ground pools, fountains, fire pits, screened lanais, and summer kitchens. We offer move-in ready homes and home packages from the upper 400s. You can personalize these homes in our design studio, located just minutes from Brunswick Forest, to make sure these homes fit your lifestyle perfectly. All of our homes feature multiple structural options, such as bonus rooms, alternate master baths, lofts, and more. If you would like to learn more about Brunswick Forest, Banyan Bay, or Logan Homes, visit us online at loganhomes.com.